For departments with a growing volume of instruments but small reprocessing space, the PureSteel XI Reprocessing Sink is a perfect solution. The sink dimensions easily accommodate virtually any type of instrument, including minimally invasive surgical and robotic instruments. The XI sink has a 30-inch inside width to easily fit longer components with extra room. Its compact 34 by 30-inch footprint makes it ideal in small reprocessing departments. The basin depth is also designed to minimize unnecessary low back bending, making reprocessing easier on the user. The XI sink is especially versatile when installed in an adjunct reprocessing sink. When used this way, it provides a dedicated area for specific instruments, or can offer additional reprocessing capabilities. With the addition of locking casters, it can be transported and placed where you have additional reprocessing needs. The XI sink is delivered with an accessory package that provides the optimal tools for pre-cleaning and flushing. Users can flush instruments with the 3 automated flexi-pump independent flushing systems simultaneously. The XI sink comes with a custom-fit sink liner to protect delicate and expensive devices from damage while they're being processed. We also include 3 perforated containers to hold brushes and small parts and help organize the pre-cleaning process. And the included touchless automated detergent dosing system programs easily for any enzymatic detergent. It helps assure the proper chemistry dilution every time. Is your pre-cleaning area running as well as it can? For more information, please visit the Pure Processing site or call us.